Hello, everybody. I have certain questions which I hope somebody, including so called Ace, Guru, and myself, may answer and therefore anchor me in peace, that is, happiness. Question 1. Does the hypothesis that creation and decreation happens in cycles true? If so, what is the conclusive evidence, apart from the belief in the maxim as above, so below? The creation should go into Sushupti then. If creation happens in cycles, not linear, then the law of predestiny should be considered and it affects how we look at creation and our daily decisions. Question 2. Does at least one ace, an all conscious entity, exist? If so, can it be implied that it is the creator of all this existence? If so, can it be implied it is also the lord of all the existence? If so, can it be made accountable? Of course, all these ideas are occurring in me, my consciousness, but intuition is still hinting at an ace outside of my consciousness. Question 3. Does free will exist? Free will implies moral laws, conscience and therefore mental health, and law of karma. Human body hints at limited free will. Question 4. Can sensory knowledge and intuitive knowledge also be communicated completely? If so, how? Question 5. Does two entities, different entities, perceive the same object samely or differently? Intuition whispers that all human beings, all normal human beings, perceive the same object in the same way. Little reason will make it clear that different species perceive the same object differently, because different species have different sensory equipment. The world which a human being perceive is different from the world which a cat perceives. Maybe this is Maya. Question 6. This question may appear very simple, but in my view, this is the most important question every conscious man should think. The entire Gita is just one answer to this question. What should we do? What should I do? The 700 shlokas of Gita proposes to answer questions like why should I do what I should do? How should I do what I should do? And so on. Gita says we should do our dharma. Every man should do his dharma. The whole Indian philosophy is based on the concept of dharma. Now, who will inform my dharma? Scriptures? Seniors? My desires? Conscience? Intuition? We cannot start doing only after getting an answer to this question, knowing my dharma. So we should move on making certain assumption and then think parallelly. When we feel we are doing the right thing perfectly, we have a clean conscience. Adam Smith says, What can be added to the happiness of a man who has three things: clean conscience, sound health, no debts? Let me say the only rhyme that came out of me in my entire life. Conscience, the seat of all strength, blows every vapor of fear. In sky all clear, beauty appear. I welcome anybody who can provide answers to these questions, which are not beliefs and assumptions. Thank you.